Slightly different trip today. As you can see, it's not particularly very bright. We're in the Elan Valley and we're heading up to a bothy. We've been here before a long time ago, but we thought we'd come and give it another try, so stick with us. Paul's brought his drone, so hopefully we'll get some good shots in the morning. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Got a bit of a walk to go first though. Catch you later. Well, we're making good progress. We've got through a load of boggy ground and we've managed to gain a bit of elevation. We're onto a bit of a contour now, so we've just got to follow it round. Should be about half a mile and hopefully we'll be there and we can put our feet up. Getting close now, nearly there. Once we make it to these trees, we know we're only about 50 yards away. I hope you can hear me with the wind. The question is anybody else here? You can just see it, well I hope you can see it, just coming up ahead. Don't see any lights. Could be empty for now. There we go. Home for the night. Hopefully we'll give you a better guided tour in the morning. This is a reservoir down there, but we'll get the drone out and have a good fly. This is where Paul tells us it's locked.
It's locked.
What?
It's locked. Oh yeah.
What a gift. Thank you. Happy days. Right, let's get comfy. Time to loft up. That's it. Feast. We're having some pasta, which goes in there, and then we're going to fry up a pepper, an onion, some chorizo, and then got a stir-in sauce. Sounds good. And then we bought a little packet of Parmesan cheese to spread on the top. And then for pudding, a nice big chocolate brownie and a big bottle of wine. A little bit of whiskey. Feeling hungry already? Was that you? Right?
That's the stove you're on about. I remember it now.
Yeah.
Voila. You.
I can't really concentrate at all. Oh, hello. I'm still recording. There we go. said you have to slum it in the great outdoors. Got wine, cigar, cookie, pasta. Pity about the company, but you can't have it always. Oh, and by the way, we got cheese for later. Oh! Smells as good as it looks. There we go. In goes the chorizo. Should have a nice bit of kick to it. Pasta's come along nicely.
Golden.
That's the bomb. Thank you. Cheers. Yeah, cheers, Ian. Cheers. There we go. Dinner was a success. Pudding has been devoured. Pause on the cigars.
Cigars,
And the wine.
Heat.
Can have wine.
What do you want?
Fire's toasty. Cheese and biscuits for later. And you probably. Oh, there you go. Must cost a fortune to eat. That cheese is so yummy. Oh, toasty. What's temperature? Same. Well, the fire's dying down. Getting colder. The wine is nearly drunk. Daddy pulls in his bag. He's over there somewhere. He'll probably fart in a minute and you'll probably hear him. So it's probably time to call it a night. See you in the morning.
Morning. It's the morning after the night before. Slept very well, very windy last night. Especially from Paul sleeping back. I suppose. Better think about getting up. Bacon and eggs to cook.
Yeah, coffee's done. It's getting a bit brighter out there. Bacon's on. Time for breakfast. Oh, it smells good. Not the nicest of days today. Quick look around here. Bad view, is it? That's the way we came in from last night, I think. This is the Bothy luxury. We even have a toilet with a view. final checks, all packed up, we've swept up, we've tidied up, all our rubbish is coming out with us. I don't think we've forgotten anything, and we've left a little pile of wood down there for the next person. It's only the right thing to do. Fire's almost out. Time to hit the road. We're out of the wind. Not too far to go now. You probably can't see. The car's just over there, around the bend of this end of the reservoir. So the end is in sight. Go back to the car. The end of another very enjoyable trip. You enjoy yourself? So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, you know, all those usual things that people ask for. We'll see you next time. Cheers.